Hey everyone, Tyson here at NOMATIC. Today I'd like to walk through the NOMATIC 40-liter travel bag, the perfect travel companion for those 3 to 7 day trips. The exterior of this bag is made with strong water-resistant zippers and tarpaulin material that will last forever. Our unique strap design allows you to switch between backpack and duffel and never have dangling straps. The back panel slips over a roller luggage handle to free up your hands while on the move. Or in backpack carry, you can attach the waist straps for additional support. On the top of the bag, there is a fleece-lined pocket for your phone, wallet, and other quick access items. And just below that is the socks and underwear compartment. Additionally, you have a water bottle pocket lined with waterproof material to keep your other items safe in case of spills. On the opposite side of the bag, you will find a dedicated shoe compartment. Each 40-liter travel bag comes with a laundry bag to separate your dirty clothes while you travel. On the right side of the bag, you will find an accessories compartment with multiple mesh, elastic, and fleece-lined pockets for your cords, power banks, and other small items. The RFID pocket is both durable and lockable to protect your scannable and other valuable items as you travel. On the left side of the bag, you have a notebook pocket and one quick access pocket. The full perimeter zipper gives you the widest opening possible for easy packing. The lid opens all the way to make TSA checkpoints a breeze. The flap to the main compartment is surrounded by foam and can hold a 15-inch laptop and a 13-inch tablet comfortably. Once the shoes and clothing pockets are packed, there is still plenty of room in the main compartment of the bag for clothes, toiletries, and other gear. If you need to pack more or love to keep all your gear organized, we have multiple travel accessories available. These can be purchased separately or as part of a bundle at nomatic.com. So as you can see, this bag is perfect for life on the move. We can't wait to see where the 40-liter travel bag takes you.